Hey guys, today let's learn how to use Hum to search a song on YouTube Mobile. So if you guys would like to go ahead and use this new feature on YouTube Mobile that allows you guys to just hum in order for you to search for a specific song that you're looking for, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do that. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first in order for us to accomplish this is to make sure that we are using the latest version of YouTube. So go ahead and launch the app stores and search for the YouTube application and make sure that you are updated to the latest version. Once we're there, open the application, and then what I want you to do from here is to choose, or rather go onto the search bars on the top and then tap on search. I want you to go ahead and tap on the mic icon over here, and this will actually allow you guys to speak and also hum the specific song that you'd like to go ahead and search for, and of course it will actually give you results of what specific song that you are trying to hum. So go ahead and try this out yourselves guys, and thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.